Hello, my name is Leonard and I'll take you through my individual project 4, and it's an AWS step function with 3 Lambda functions. This function encrypts text, and it's also able to decrypt text. It doesn't let the users enter any key. All the user enters is a text, either for encryption or decryption, and then finally gives the output plus how many operations the user has done. So I'll take you through the functions. This is the encryption and then decryption functions. It's an external library used by this, but before this one, I'll talk about the step 1. Step 1 is to retrieve the secret key. This is stored in the environment variable of the Lambda function, and it's called this encryption decryption key. So it takes that and then adds the text the user brought and then the operation, whether it's encryption or decryption, and then passes this on to step 2. At step 2, this is received, and based on the operation, if it is encrypt, it encrypts it and outputs it here. If it's decrypt, it decrypts it and then outputs it here, calling this function, eventually sending out just the output, the encrypted or decrypted text. That's sent to step 3, and step 3 has this static counter, which is counting all operations done on this step function. So it passes anytime there is this operation or anytime this function is called. The increment function is executed, which increments the counter, and you can also get the total value from with this function. So basically that's what this handler does. It takes what was brought from step 2 and then does the increment and then give the final count plus the output as the final output of the entire step function. So I'll quickly talk about the 3 executable: step 1, step 2, step 3, and this is the makefile, which mainly does the building of the 3, and then the deployment to Lambda. These are called in the YAML file at this point. Okay, so the keys are in the Gitlab environment. It just calls the deploy after building, calls the deploys, and then sends the functions to AWS Lambda. Step function can then utilize it. Okay. Thank you very much.